Hey everybody, Holly here from Holly's Easy Breezy Kitchen. And today we're gonna make a nice and fresh, kind of a summer slaw out of snap peas, green apples, some celery, some red onions, some jalapenos, and some cilantro. So let me finish up chopping up my snap peas. We're just gonna cut our snap peas in half. Just a nice little rough chop, nothing too fancy. So this is nice and refreshing, kind of herby and light for this hot weather we still have. Okay, look at this little guy. So let's take these guys. We'll add them to the ones we've already got. Okay, to these, we're gonna add some slivered Granny Smith apples, some slivered red onion, chopped up celery, some chopped jalapeno. I did leave the seeds in there. Kick them out if you don't like it too hot. And some fresh cilantro. I'll give this guy a quick toss. Okay, so that's just fresh and gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so leave that there for the moment. Now, let's make the dressing to go on here. We're gonna start with some white wine vinegar. I'm sorry, no, that's not white wine vinegar. Lemon juice, white wine vinegar, a little agave. We'll whisk in some olive oil. Hit it with a little salt, a little fresh pepper. And then give it a quick toss. Okay. Now this is going to be fabulous with some grilled chicken. My herby grilled chicken that's on the website, this goes perfectly with. But in the meantime, why don't we put it on a pretty platter? This would be perfect on a buffet because it's nice and crunchy and will hold up sitting for a while. Great for a barbecue. Doesn't have any mayo in it, so it can sit out, no problem. Look at that. Is that gorge or what? Well, looks like summer to me. Give it a go. It's easy breezy.